Thinking of getting a little work done? Then pay attention to this. A CBC News investigation into medical spas has found a questionable, potentially dangerous practice. It involves Botox injections. Who's giving them and who should be giving them? Natalie Clancy has our exclusive report.
Don't be fooled by the certificates on the wall. The man who says he can make our producer's cheeks thinner with Botox is not a physician.
And you don't need to be a doctor?
Yes, you need to be a doctor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but
I'm not a doctor, so that's why I'm.
Do it.
It's not illegal, and it's also not legal either.
Only a licensed, trained healthcare professional can administer Botox cosmetic.
But Health Canada goes further, saying Botox should only be prescribed and administered by a physician. If Botox is used in any way other than that prescribed in the product monograph, it would be considered to be a contravention of the Food and Drugs Act, and that's against the law. At another spa, Irina Kolesnikova quickly diagnoses me with an angry face and prescribes 68 units of Botox.
You're a doctor. I used to be doctor like in the Russia.
We passed on the treatment. Kolesnikova is not a licensed physician, and at least one patient complained to the Better Business Bureau after she came here for a little brow lift, but instead claims one eyelid collapsed, her eye was swollen shut for weeks, and has never been the same since.
It's a misapplication of Botox, injected too low.
The patient ended up seeing Dr. Lee Thompson to get the problem fixed and didn't want to appear on camera.
This lady has used something to treat this patient, and it was inappropriate. I don't know where she would have got it from.
The only worldwide manufacturer of Botox confirms the two spas we visited, Eurocharm and Queen's Park Laser, do not purchase Botox cosmetic from Allergan. Kolesnikova refused our request for an interview, but in an email says I never made statements regarding my education and credentials contrary to the ones published on Eurocharm's website.
I've been to a lot of seminars.
Eddie Lee of Queen's Park Laser told us he buys his Botox online without a prescription.
I get my Botox from Turkey. It's a pharmacy in Turkey and also a pharmacy in Mexico.
It's not misleading to have Dr. Lee all over the walls?
Well, I can put anything I want on the wall as long as I'm not hurting anybody.
In the United States, the FDA has cracked down, putting several unlicensed practitioners in jail. 2 people died from fake Botox injections. One was cooking oil.
The government is not being proactive.
We showed Canada's leading Botox physician what we found. Dr. Martin Braun says patients are at risk when entrepreneurs inject neurotoxins.
Unfortunately, the College of Physicians is only regulating physicians right now. When I've asked them to look at this, they say it is far too expensive and beyond their mandate.
Provincial colleges of physicians and surgeons can seek injunctions against anyone who impersonates a physician. And Health Canada says any Botox provider can be charged if they break the Food and Drugs Act. But so far, neither one of those things is happening. Natalie Clancy, CBC News, Vancouver.